problem or violations. So guys, as you can see this one, we are removing your profile. See why recommend Kabayan in Dubai. Your page will like this. Problem or violations. So guys, as you can see this one, we are removing your profile. See why recommend Kabayan in Dubai. Your page will like this. What's up guys? So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the hacker it works. So guys, we need to be careful every time or time to time. We need to be careful because you've been receiving notification from the hacker. So I've been receiving also. So check this one guys. At my page, Kabayan in Dubai has received the notification that I have some problem or violation. So guys, as you can see this one, we are removing your profile. See why recommend Kabayan in Dubai. Your page will like this. It's mentioning on your notification that you have a violation. So when I open it, and it's showing like this guys. So what they said from here, your page will restricted. Someone reported that you are not complying with the terms and condition. If you believe your page reported by mistake, then submit an appeal and make sure meet a team. If you do not submit by appeal within 24 hours, technically system automatic delete your page permanently. So they are telling me like that. So guys, if you are not aware, and of course you will do what they are telling. So if you are not aware, but guys, definitely if you receive this kind of message like this, it's from the hacker, it's not from the Meta support. So please don't sign up your details, personal details from your Facebook, such as email and password, because if you do to submit your personal details from the link, so automatic hacker will take your Facebook and they will remove you as an owner, and automatic you cannot access your Facebook. So you need to be careful guys. At showing here the link, so it means if you click the link and you submit the details of your Facebook, so guys, they will take your Facebook. So we need to be careful because you know this one, if you open notification that you receive, it's also guys, when I open the notification, so this one also is a profile. The name is we are removing your profile. See why? So have already 17 followers and 20 likes. Okay, so we need to be careful because these people is a hacker. So all people, they will tag, so including me, they tag me also, then I got the notification. So if you are not aware this kind of notification, worried also, it might be you got the mistake or you got the violation. But guys, just check properly because violation you will get not in the notification, but that one is from the Meta support, not like this. Because if you open the notification, it's a profile. So Meta support or Facebook Meta, it's not like this. Okay, number one thing first, the violation you can get from profile recommendation. If you have a plug content, you can see from there, and some copyright issue and some violation also you can see at your support inbox. So just guys, you can see the violation from there or from the notification, if legit, if from the Meta. But this kind of notification like this, it's not legit and it's from the hacker. So we need to be aware So if you are new on the Facebook, so just put on your mind, if you receive like this, just check properly, think twice, don't click the link, because from Meta violation, they will not say you need to enter your profile, you need to enter your personal details such as email and your password. So from Facebook, they will not say like that. That this kind of people, or this kind of notification is from the hacker, so we need to be careful. So we can check from here. This is the profile, as you can see, guys. See, this is the profile. So they are tagging to everyone, so check properly. If you are not aware, so you got confused and you click the link and you put your personal details because you worried it might be because they are telling like this, within 24 hours, if you are not comply, your Facebook will be automatic deleted. So it happened like me before, guys. So it happened before to my page, so that's why I know very well that this one is a hacker. So when I enter my personal details such as email and password, so automatic my page was gone. They take already. So we need to be aware and we need to be careful. So guys, I hope you understand my tutorial, and it's all about we need to be careful to the people who want to take our Facebook. So guys, for more info and more tutorial about Facebook monetization, please don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.